guys, hope you've been keeping well. Yes, I know, it's been many months I haven't published anything. Life happened, that's what happened. Anyway, we are today with the Solingen Bismarck. Very nice specimen. It's, I believe, a 6/8 and very nice engraving, gold plated on the spine with some nice etching also. So today will be a quick session because it's mainly a maintenance, I would say. As you can hear, it's singing well. I've been using it many times and I felt at the end that it became a bit harsh, not that comfortable. So let's have a look at the okay, at the edge there's a bit of oxidation, not too bad, no dent, but a little bit of oxidation. Alright, so we're gonna tape the spine just to protect this nice razor. A bit of water, and we're gonna start directly with the Nakayama LV5. There's no point going to lower grade, and we're gonna start with the Asano Nagura Meijiro. So the Meijiro is 7/8K grit. As usual, no pressure, just take your time. If you put pressure on a slurry stone, you will get mini bits on the stone, on the base stone, and then that will damage your edge. Alright, keep your elbow high up, so like this you will have a very flat blade on the stone. And if you need, you can help yourself with your other hand just to ensure that the blade is fully flat. Alright, just some X strokes. Let's have a look under the microscope now after the first stone. So it looks already a lot better, cleaner. There's no more oxidation. Yeah, perfect. We can move to the next one now. So the next stone will clean our base stone first, with just a little bit of water. The next one will be the Asano Nagura Meijiro, and so the Meijiro is the 9 to 10K grade. So just to let you know, I added a bit of music in the background because I had a weird noise during the recording, like a tick tick noise that wasn't very pleasant, so hopefully that will help. Alright, same move, smooth and flat on the stone, and at this stage we don't need much pressure, to be fair. Alright, now the final Asano Nagura, the Koma. And actually, talking about Asano Nagura, so the Koma is a 12K plus. I've been shocked to see the price now these guys are selling for on marketplaces. And if you find some cheap ones, be careful. I've seen some fake Asano Naguras also being sold. Alright. So now, in terms of pressure, just the weight of the blade, basically. Maybe tiny bit more, not much. And you don't need to spend long on these stones anymore. Alright, final slurry stone. I will use a Tomo Nagura, and this one will be a Nakayama Kiita. So the Kiita is really an excellent stone. You see, it's a bit yellowish. And if you get a decent size one, it can be also an excellent base stone. Now at this stage, you really don't need a lot of slurry, so a very light slurry will do. All right. Again, no pressure, just a nice move. Just few X strokes, and that will do plenty. Alright, let's dry the blade and have a look under the microscope. This is our final edge. This is our final edge. Looks good. Now basically what's left is we will remove the tape from the spine. We'll try to not cut ourselves. Done it once. And after that I will use my Kanayama 60,000 strobe and apply probably, I would say, 150 to 200 laps on it. A quick hanging hair test, and finally a shaving test. I don't know if you can see the edge here. It's very shiny, very reflective also. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If so, I always appreciate a thumbs up. And until next video, take care and see you soon. Bye guys.